Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Hank Green app, by Focus Friend. Very easy. Once you launch the app, you can click here on Meet Your Bean, and then right here you'll be able to meet your bean, and you can interact with them. You can name them anything you want, and basically you can give your name as well. So I'll just let my name be Bean. You can interact with them right now, and just proceed with this dialogue. So after you download this, after you launch this app, what you will basically be doing, okay, you choose your bean character. You can also choose a character, by the way. And then what you do is you set a time for your focus session, okay? There'll be a timer that you'll be able to go ahead and start. And, they will basically focus on knitting, right? And what will happen is, if you want to earn rewards, you just avoid touching your phone, or you end this session early, right? Avoid ending your session early as well. This basically allows your bean, which you can fully customize, you can change the name later as well, to knit socks and scarves to decorate its room. So you're helping it. The more you stay focused, the more you help your bean. So right now I'll stop touching on my phone, and then this bean would begin knitting. As you can see right here, it should begin once you click on focus and you hit start after you choose your timer. It's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor, and good luck.